Hi guys, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. We are at the Secrets Cana all-inclusive resort in the Dominican Republic, and I'm going to take you on a room tour of a Preferred Club Bungalow swim out ocean view. This thing is absolutely amazing. So when you first come in, as you can see, you got your 4-poster bed, which is awesome. You got a little seating area here. You've got what I consider one of the most amazing bathrooms that I have seen. Sorry, we're in the off season here and they're doing a bit of construction outside, so that's what that noise is. But it's something to keep in mind when you do come off season. That's when they do some of the updates to some of these resorts. Got a separate toilet area, got a beautiful shower with dual rain heads. Shower heads here. It's just great. As you can see outside, and that view you're getting is into the outdoor shower area. Speaking of, here's your outdoor shower area. Just beautiful. As you can see, got all your privacy here. Little seating area here. So if you're looking for that super special suite, I think this is it, man. It's gorgeous. You also have your closet here, and you've got your steamer, which is, you know, what you get at the Secrets resorts. You've got your safe to lock up your valuables, and again, which is neat, I haven't seen this anywhere before, but I have seen it here at the Secrets. This is a separate area, so if you call for room service, instead of them leaving the stuff outside, they have a secret door, it's hard to see, that they slide the stuff through. And then they put it in there so you can come grab it. You've got your bathrobes, you got your slippers, you've got a little bench here, so you need to put your shoes on. You've got your TV, they've got the espresso machine, and some special amenities, little liquor nips, if you will. You've got your mini bar with your local Presidente beer, some sodas, some bottled water, very important in the Dominican. And they've got these tablets here to give you information as to what's going on, and you can do a variety of things with that. Little seating area, desk area with a lamp. And here's the money shot, guys. So this is your patio. It's a walkout, swim out, beach view. As you can see, with a beach view right down there. You've got your bar right there. Again, probably a bit hard to see with the lighting right now. And I'm sure I am not doing it justice because of the lighting, but this is just awesome. Palm trees everywhere. It's just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful room. Anyway, Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. Please like our video below, and if you need to reach us, you can reach us at 401-338-9278 or anchorsawaytravelri.com. Talk to you next time.